Now coordinate geometry. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పబోయే చాప్టర్ పేరు కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ చాప్టర్. ఇది మనకు ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో కూడా వస్తుంది. బేసిక్ మొత్తం కూడా 10th నేర్చుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీ బేసిక్స్. ఇందులో సెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా ఒకటి, డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా, ఈ రెండిటి మీద ఉంటాయి. మనం మొదటగా డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా మీద సమ్స్ చేద్దాము. సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఫార్ములా square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So how we can get this formula? How we can derive? This is a Cartesian plane. X-axis, y-axis. On the plane, you take any 2 points on the plane, here and here. Suppose this is A, x1, y1, and here you take B, x2, y2. Now we want to find what is the distance between AB. We want to find the distance between AB. What is the length of AB we want to find. So for this you draw perpendicular from A, from B to x-axis, similarly to y-axis, or it parallel to x-axis. Now we get a right triangle at C. So we know from here to here the length is x2. Since here x coordinate is x2. And this length x1. So the length of AC we can write x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. And similarly, this side also you can write this total length y2, since the y coordinate is here y2. And this length y1. Here y coordinate is y1. So the length of BC you can write y2 minus y1. Now triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C 90 degrees. Since it is 90 degrees right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So AC square plus BC square. Then we can, what is AB you can write square root of AC square plus BC square. Now what is the length of AC we have here? x2 minus x1 whole square plus, and BC length y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance between 2 points formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Or you can also write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square also you can write. So between on the plane any 2 points are given. Using this formula we can find distance between the 2 points. Is it? Now let us take the problems now. Now let us take 2 points here. -5, 7, -1, 3. Now we want to find what is the distance between these 2 points. So here this 2 point, this is you take x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now distance formula, that is, or you can write AB also, the length of AB. What is formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now substitute the values here. x1, that is minus 5. x2 minus 1. Here minus and here minus. So minus of minus plus 1 it will be. Whole square plus y1 7 minus 3 whole square. Then we get square root of minus 5 plus 1 whole square minus 4 whole square plus 7 minus 3 4 square. So we get 16 plus 16. We get 32, square root 32. Or this we can also write root 32 means 16 into 2. 16 is perfect square. So you can write this is 16 square root 4. So we can write 4 root 2. Understand? So next problem 7.1 exercise lo third sum chuddam. So here 3 points are given. Prove that the points are collinear. What are the given 3 points here? 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11. We have to prove these 3 points are collinear. What is collinear? When 3 points are in straight line. When 3 points are in straight line, we can say the points are collinear. They are called collinear points if they are in the straight line. So when they are in the straight line, we can say AB plus BC equal to AC, we can say. It means sum of any two sides is equal to third side. Then we can say the 3 points are collinear, we can say here. So here you take this is A, this is B, this is C you take. First you find AB, BC, AC. First let us take AB now. AB. So using the distance formula, you can find AB length. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now you are taking AB, so this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Then we can get 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Then we get here 2 minus 1 means 1 square. So 1 square 1 plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 square. So we get plus 4. So the length of AB equal to we get root 5. Similarly, you find the length of BC now with the same formula. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now if you substitute the values, now BC you are taking. So 2 minus of minus 2, we get 2 plus 2 whole square. y1 minus y2, 3 minus of minus 11, This is y1, this is y2 now. Now 3 plus 11 whole square. Then we get square root of 2 plus 2, 4 square, plus 3 plus 11, 14 square. Then you get 14 into 14, 16. 14 square, we get 196. Then the length of BC we get, if we add them, we get 200 and square root of 212. Next you find AC. Again you take the same formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now if you substitute the values here, now AC you are finding, AC. So 1 minus of minus 2, 1 plus 2 whole square. Next y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. So my 5 plus 11 whole square. Then we get 1 plus 2, 3. 3 square means you get 9. Plus 5 plus 11, 16. 16 square means 256. Then we get square root of 265. So if you observe here, AB we get root 5, BC square root of 212, AC 265, square root of 265. Here sum of any two sides is not equal to third side here. Is it? So here sum of any two sides, that is AB plus BC is not equal to AC. Any two sides is not equal to third side here. So we can say the points are not collinear. So not collinear. Is it? So if you want to prove when 3 points are given, to say they are collinear, you find AB, BC, AC. If sum of any two sides is equal to third side, then we can say the points are collinear. Now let us take one more problem. Now 7th problem. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from. So here on the plane, 2 points are there. On the plane, 2 points. One point is 2 comma minus 5. 2 comma minus 5. Suppose you take here, suppose 2 comma minus 5. This is one point you take. And one more point, that is minus 2, 9. Minus 2, 9 means suppose somewhere you take here, anywhere, no problem. Minus 2, 9. Now we have to find what, this is a point B, suppose. You find a point which is equidistant from these 2 points on x-axis. Anywhere on x-axis you can take. Suppose you take the point is here. The required point is here, suppose you take P. So the point P is equidistant from A and B. So we want to find what are the coordinates of P. So P coordinates we want to find. So let the here equal coordinates of P we want now. Let P coordinates x, y. Here we know on x-axis the y coordinate is 0. So you can take P coordinates x, comma 0. So first you find what is length of PA you find. PA. So we have the formula, distance formula, same formula here. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So as per this formula, x minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2. Y is 0 here. So 0 minus of minus 5, 0 plus 5. We get 5 squared. So then we get square root of x minus 2 whole square plus 25. That is the length of PA. Similarly, you find PV now. Again, you take the same formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So again, substitute the values. X, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x minus of minus 2. So we get here x plus 2 whole square. We are taking these 2 points, x0 and minus 2. Now y we know 0 it is. So we can take here x0 also. So we want to find distance between these 2 points. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So x1 minus x2, so x plus 2 whole square plus y minus y1 minus y2, so 0 minus 9 whole square. So we get 81. 9 square, 81 you get. Now we get to PA, PB, we got it now. Now both are equal here. Therefore, as per the problem, you can write here x minus 2 whole square plus 25, that is the length of PA, equal to length of PB, x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Why here you are writing, since here we know PA equal to PB, the point which is equidistant from given 2 points. Now you find x value here. How? First squaring on both sides. When you're squaring on both sides, squares are cancelled here. Then this side we have x minus 2 whole square plus 25. This side x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Now how you can find x here? One way you can expand in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. And another way, x plus 2 whole square, you write this side first. X minus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square equal to, and this side you write 81 minus 25. So here we can apply a square minus b square formula. Then we can write x minus 2 plus x plus 2, a square minus b square, a plus b, into a minus b, x minus 2, minus b means minus x minus 2. minus x minus 2 minus of equal to, now 81 minus 25 is subtract, we get 56. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel here, x plus x 2x into here plus x minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 equal to 56. Then we get minus 8x equal to 56. Then x equal to, we can write 56 by minus 8. We get 56 divided by minus 8. We get minus 7. So the point which is equidistant is minus 7, 0. Is a point which is equidistant from given 2 points. So this is the answer. Thank you. Now see 8th problem now. So here 2 points are given. One is P2 comma minus 3 and Q is 10y. And the length of PQ, that is distance between P and Q, is given 10 units. So P2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y given. And distance between 2 points 10 units given. Find the value of y. That is the question here. So you find, as usual, you find here also distance, that is length of PQ you find. The same formula. So what is formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is equal to 10 units he gave. PQ equal to 10 given. Now if you substitute the values here, this is you take x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So x1 minus x2, 2 minus 10. Plus y1 minus y2. So minus 3 minus y whole square equal to 10. Then here you can have square root of 2 minus 10 minus 8. Minus 8 square means 64. Plus here both are same sign, so we have to do addition. So you can write y plus 3 whole square equal to 10. Now if you want to find x value, squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Square root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10. Now squaring on both sides. This side square root cancel, we get 64 plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10 square, 100. Then y plus 3 whole square equal to 100 minus 64 equal to 36. Then we get y plus 3 whole square equal to 36 we have. Now y plus 3 equal to square root of 36. It is a plus or minus 6. Plus 6 into plus 6, 36, minus 6 into minus 6, 36. So now the answer is y plus 3 equal to, if you take plus 3, then y equal to, we get 6 minus 3. So that is the 3 is one answer. Or y plus 3 equal to, if you take minus 6, y equal to minus 6 minus 3. Minus 9 is the second answer. So y coordinates, the value of y 3 or minus 9. Now let us take 10th problem. Find a relation between x and y such that the point xy. So here take a point xy. Point xy which is equidistant from 2 points. What are they? One is 3, 6 and other point is minus 3, 4. So 3 points given. This point P is equidistant from A to B. Then what is the relation? So here PA equal to PB. Then what is the relation between X and Y? So for this first you find what is PA you find. Taking distance formula. So PA equal to, what is the distance formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then we can have x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. That is length of PA. Next, similarly, you find what is the PB also you find. PB, again same formula I take, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Then we get x plus 3 whole square, since here minus plus y minus 4 whole square. As in the problem given, both are equal here, PA equal to PB. So you can write square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to square root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Then if you squaring on both sides, then square roots cancel here. This side we get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to, this side you get x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Now you simplify now. So one way you can expand in the form of a minus b and a plus b form we can expand. Is it? Otherwise you write these two terms on one side, this side. That is x terms, x minus 3 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square. And this term write that side. Y minus 4 whole square minus y minus 6 whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square form. We can apply a plus b into a minus b. Then we get a plus b means x minus 3 plus x plus 3. Here a minus b, x minus 3 minus of, so minus x minus 3. This side also you apply like that. Here y minus 4, a plus b, so plus y minus 6. So a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So y minus 4 minus y plus 6. Then here these two are cancelled, we get this side 2x and here plus x minus minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. This side plus y 2y minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 into plus 5 minus 5 cancel 6 minus 4 2. Then we get 2 into x into 6 minus 12x equal to 2 into 2y 4y minus 20. Now all terms are right one side. Then we get 12x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So in all the terms 4 is common. So you divide the terms with 4. Then we get 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the relation between x and y. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లంతో డిస్టెన్స్ మీద సమ్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోయినట్టే. నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ 2లో సెక్షన్ ఫామ్లో ఉపయోగించి మనం కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ సమ్స్ చేద్దాం. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.